Somebody pray for me. It been that day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Alright, we're all loaded up. We're off to Juan's. Alright, today's the day we're trying out the Banshee after I just got done putting in work on it for like the last 2 weeks since I bought it. We got the carbs cleaned, we put new plugs in it, new foot pegs, took off the Nerf bars, you know, just cleaned everything out. All sorts of freshened up. We're about to pull this trailer out from back here and load up Juan's dirt bike, and we're about to go test this thing out.
We're gonna have to bring it right here, so we just gotta move the truck a little bit forward. Dude, we haven't even brought this trailer out in so long.
You look crazy as hell. Your eyes, you look insane. Oh shit. We might need to flip that hitch upside down. Somehow Juan don't got the tools to be taking this hitch off, driving the hitch like this. Trailer's all steep, but we're only going up the street, so it should be fine for where we're going. Juan's basically hitting at 12 o'clock the whole way though. Is what it's looking like. Alright, you ready, Juan? Okay, we got the drive-through piece with the trailer. Shout out KFC for having the wide drive-throughs.
Yeah, cause they
the
know
trailer friendly. Desert Ruttin for sure. It's got a skid plate.
I got it from.
Damn, it doesn't have a skid plate on the rear though. That's crazy.
No, I broke off.
Oh, let's say you have a skid plate on everything but the normal one. The power core piece. I just patched that tire yesterday.
Yeah, how'd it hold?
So far so good. I just put air in it, so we'll see. Alright boys, first ride's on the Banshee. We'll see how she do. Okay. Little Manji. I don't even know what kind of quad that is. A Yamaha, I think, right? I don't even know. Oh boy, she feels so good. Chain's a little loose, that's all I see. Oh, where the hell is Granny going? Oh man. Alright. Damn, you got electric start too, huh? Can't relate. Yes, sir. try to make it back to those red rocks back there. We might have to go around. When that Banshee opens up, it's a different beast, bro. Just creeps into the power band. It's crazy. Like, we're gonna have like no mountains here soon. It's gonna be all houses. Yups. Oh, she's out here right now. Oh, he's got the rocks going. My chain looking nappy. Dude, it actually blew the rims up. That's crazy. Don't sound right. Alright, we out. We got the Banshee loaded up. We got the dirt bike loaded up.
On the way to Dumont. Go.
On the way to Dumont. We going camping tonight, boys. Banshee's running good. It got clogged up at the end. My left side carb was clogged, I'm pretty sure. So, gonna have to do some cleaning, boys. But everyone comment Juan to buy the electron carbs right now because he's scared to cash out on them.
Chill out, man.
Oh, bro, we just had a big old wreck just went down. Bruh.
Oh, there's a car over there, bro.
Where is going on?
Oh, you gonna for sure have to whip up.
Oh my god. Dog. That guy must have been mobbing.
Hit the fucking.
Oh. That is insane, bro. There's literally parts all over the whole entire street. And there's people getting arrested at Taco Bell. Oh my god, bro. People at Taco Bell getting arrested. Alright, I'm about to wash the Banshee because we cannot let the Banshee get dirty like that. Come on now, boys.